Hi guys, I am E.
I am her.
And together we are
She.
better known as Shelly&Mauv.
Gang gang.
Hey, we missed you guys, and we'll always strive to try to come back to this channel and when we've got time
And upload.
and try to make time for it and upload.
Okay.
And we missed you, and we're gonna get back at it.
We are here.
And we've got a new one for you today.
You feel me?
You're wondering why we're looking
Mighty homely. I like that mighty homely.
mighty
That's
homely.
good. Mighty homely.
What do we got for them today?
Little simple, but not so simple. Transformation.
Yes. So we will be transforming our own self. If we could give our own self a cool makeover, what would it look like? As
Okay.
we all know, we have something in our closet that we could put together. Blah, blah, blah. Even though sometimes, like, oh, I got nothing that goes together. There's something in there.
She's animated, Lord. Oh, we're back to be transforming from head to toe. So keep watching.
Bye, guys. One.
What up? So the first little outfit I wear was, I don't know. I'm into bigger clothes because, like, as you can see, I'm small, so like I like bigger clothes. So for the shirt, it's just this big old sweater. Like, I am into like wearing a boyfriend's shirts and hoodies. This, Jesus. So it's that jacket with a cross on the back of it.
Cute.
Feel me? For the accessories, got a couple of shades. And, oh yeah, the watch, bandana, choker, team choker,
Hey.
team choker. For the shoes, however, I got the kicks, got the boots. So I'm gonna put it on and let's see how it looks.
Hey guys, for my first outfit, I'll be wearing these denim faded jeans. And I'll be pairing it with this maroon shirt, and it's got like a shoulder that's out, but it's got like a little stitch over it.
Yes, God.
And I'll be pairing it with I forget what you call these. They're by that one store, but I can't remember it, but a really nice black sparkly bracelet, possibly a choker, which I got on sale, clearance, 75 cents. And if it goes well with it, I'm going to throw in this black and silver necklace. Oh, by the way, I'm going to throw on these bad boys, Christian Serranos.
Good. As you can see, this is the first outfit. You feel me? Boyfriend type vibes / Coachella / tomboyish, but yet girlish. Okay, so whatever. Since I'm naturally a tomboy, I thought the bandana would go perfectly with anything oversized, especially like if it's like dark. If they're both dark, I don't know. It's just me. I don't know. Black bandana, black heels. Okay, you feel me? I would wear this to Coachella, on the first date, carnival date. Also, I got
A purse.
accessories, black heels, black bandana. You feel me? Also, I'm so glad I curled my hair because, like, this is God. Shades gotta be blue.
Yes.
Or it has to be matching with something. So, you feel me? Alright. So that's the first look for me. Let's see what else is in store.
Hey guys, so I put this look together. It's comfortable, but I dressed it up with a little bit of a heel, and I like the arms. It's good for like going on a night out or a day of shopping or whatever.
Okay.
You're still comfortable with your shirt and your jeans. And I put it with a choker and the silver necklace. I think it goes really well with it. And then my hair, I twisted it overnight with some rose water cream and some coconut cream, different things. And it was ready for today. And I'm rocking my natural look.
Oh, cool.
And
Queen.
it's just a more fashionable me, getting out of my comfort zone. But still a little comfort with fashion.
So this is the second outfit in the filming. I look like, can somebody say Chetch? The shoes, little booties, watch, you feel me? White. First, I kind of don't think it goes together. But that's the outfit.
I told her purse goes with her boots.
Get your coffee.
And her coffee. It goes with your coffee too.
Next.
Hi guys, I'm back with another one. I have on my denim jeans still, but I paired it with this peach shirt. Peach. It has like a low neck and a little back.
Okay.
And then I
Show us some back.
put on a tan choker.
Shelly got back.
And with this, I guess it's like a 3-piece or a layered gold necklace, which I think is really cute. By the way, I got it on sale for $1.
Okay. Savings.
And that's it. I'm just rocking my curls still. That's it. Alright guys, so
Hey there.
we hope you liked our video.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? Join the gang, gang, gang.
We back.
Okay?
Tell a friend.
Okay?
Subscribe.
Tell your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your sister, your brother, your cousin, second cousin, third cousin. Twice. Removed.
You haven't seen the last of Shelly&Mauv.
Okay?
For sure. Alright, we miss you guys.
Yeah. Bye.
Peace.